things have changed now. Get ready for that. And also understand this. His Holiness the Dalai Lama, with his message of knowledge and tradition, and compassion, and purity of soul, and love, he will live a long time, and his legacy will live forever. But to you, President of China, you'll be gone and nobody will give you credit for anything. So in that spirit now the Dalai Lama would not approve of my saying that. When I criticize the Chinese government, he says, let's pray for Nancy to rid her of her negative attitudes. But I think I hope he will indulge me today to say that change is on the way. As our colleagues have said, hope springs